Nokia Edge Lite full review. Nokia Edge Lite specs carry a 6.9-inch Super AMOLED display with 4K resolution, along with a tail 21:9 aspect ratio. In contrast, this phone comes running on Android 11 as the operating system. Speaking of the processor, the Nokia smartphone takes power from the 865 Qualcomm Snapdragon. Besides, in terms of memory, the Nokia Edge Lite arrives in two storage versions, 10GB, 12GB of RAM and 128GB, 256GB of internal storage. Moreover, a microSD card to upgrade the storage up to 1TB. As for the battery, it rocks a 7100 mAh battery box. The Nokia Edge Lite camera features a triple sensor setup on the rear. In the optic system, it comprises of a 64MP primary lens plus 12MP ultra-wide lens plus 5MP depth sensor. This Nokia based sports a dual 14MP lens for taking selfies and video calling. The Nokia Edge Lite release date can appear in the third quarter of next year. Meanwhile, concerning the cost, the Nokia Edge Lite 2022 price should start around $185 and Indian rupees 13,666.